It's a small world. Careful what you're doing it. It's a small world. We the people ruin it. It's a small world. Just want a piece of it. It's a small world. But mine is the piece of it. Born Jamaican, hungry man. People want the money, where me go get it from? There I try us up on the sun. She want AC, but me have fun. What if the action is a reaction? And sometimes no satisfaction. Champion in action. Jamaican dreaming of the axeman. Careful what you do and say. Vanity will fade away. I hear another mother cry today. Gunplay, another life got taken away. Oh, I'm so sorry. She'll lose her mind after taking the Molly. It's a small world. Careful what you do in it. It's a small world. We the people ruin it. It's a small world. Just want a piece of it. It's a small world. But mine is the piece of it. Now get this in the head. Too much people dead. Better it up on the roadside, selling fish and bread instead of paying. Uncle Jaffe another day. I'm look bleaky. Good morning. No run, man.
I know, sir, you make a contract.
But what now?
Your rent.
You know, sir, are they raising a rent business make me not pay rent yet?
2 months now.
I know that, you know. But tell me now go to raise a rent or not go on with it, you know.
Me say, a 2 months now. And if you can't give me money, you come out of my place.
It was 25,000 first. And now I tell me say 35.
You know, since everything raised.
And me make things raise?
That not nothing to do with me.
So same way the addition we put on me now pay none until you carry it back down and strike me strike. You know?
If you not get me money, give me, you come out of here.
You know what? I don't want you to spoil my man, you know. Me have to go to work and have to concentrate on the people them where swim so they don't lose their life. So you what? Let's go to here.
I want to the Rasta boy here.
What you say? Dead or alive? What you say about the mission?
Dead or alive? What you say?
Dead. Body me a carry.
Anything what you say them, you know.
Me not like man. I kill man and beat man and do man things, you know.
Anything what you say, man.
Me a kill you and carry you.
Alright, we carrying the bag then. I say alright.
Hello?
Babe, good morning. I miss you so much. You can't come look for me? I need you right now.
No, me can't make me know. Man now can make it 3 weeks before me come down the bill. Just wash it and put it down.
What you mean 3 weeks? 3 weeks too long. You need to come now.
Babes, me on a mission, babes. Therefore, one man we killing woman and me have to complete the mission before me come down. Just easy, man. When me come down, man, me carry out for you, treat you and, you know.
You know what? Everything good. I gotta just go for my sister go look for me nigga. Because I can't mother right now.
Alright, babes.
Alright, do your thing.
Alright, love you. Boy, me have one woman there, boy, me I tell you.
Hey girl, good morning. What's up?
Morning.
Where you coming from this time of the morning?
Man, I'm just coming back from last night.
Oh, for real? You turned up last night?
Yeah, I went to this party and I found this guy that I like, so I just kind of stayed out all
Had some
night.
fun. Okay, that's good.
Yeah, where you going?
Oh, I'm going to find me a man out on the road.
The soldier guy?
Him not going good. Him too busy with work and thing. We need a new man right now.
Right now? Alright.
Yeah, girl.
See you.
Later, baby. Thank
Later.
you.
Alright.
to...
step back and pass.
Why you not jump off my pass? I see me first. Look, me them more across the bridge than you.
Put up on the bridge before, yeah.
Excuse me, sir. Anyways, good morning. How's your morning?
Do I know you?
I don't know you. You don't know me either.
No, your face looks familiar. If I'm around here.
I got an apartment recently.
Oh, that means you're somebody new then. But in that case, I think I would like to get to know you though. And I'm a lifeguard, so I'm certified to guard your life, not only in the seawater, but Rona, so it can be a place like that. You see them goalie and them trench, I'm ever show you diaper to get through them, so.
Okay.
I'll be like your bodyguard.
Right. Well, most of the times I'm alone at the house, so you could come see me sometime. Or where do you work? I could come see you.
Oh, I'm a lifeguard. You can see I work at the beach park. For this week, next week I'll be at Bloody Bay, Long Bay. One of the beach, we forget about.
Oh, I could come look for you down at your workplace later in the... What time you leave work?
It's the first a girl ever be so forward with me and just talk straight. You know what I mean? Because most of the girls I'm going corner. Anywhere I come from is a good place. What's your name though? I never get your name.
My name is Kayla.
Kayla. Well, you can call me Fire.
Nice to meet you, Fire.
Are you playing with me or not?
No, I'm not playing with you, man.
Alright, I'll give me a number. Come I want to take your number, you know?
Alright, give me a number. I'm going to call you later when I come up later.
Alright. 825 19
Yeah.
46.
You say your name, Fire?
Fire.
Alright, Fire.
So call me no more up on the beach and wait for your call.
Alright then.
So where do you rent this apartment down here?
Oh, it's somewhere in Whitehall. I'll take you there later.
Don't play with me now. I'll look for see you later.
I'll link you, man. You will see.
Alright?
Yeah, man, later.
Come on.
I want to say lady I come from here.
You know, say today she did to come, but she said she's busy and she have somebody else here though. So when she get the time, she will let me know.
Once forward man come here, well want to do, you know.
Want to fit you.
I say boy them walking up. Hello.
My big brother,
Yeah, what want you? What make your son so?
me say me am a rasta man in my place, you know. And the boy box me up, you know, because guess what?
What? What you say?
I'm gonna ask him for my right money, the boy don't want me right money. Why you can't lick me right now, you know?
Alright sis. Me I come right now. But me now reach on there till night. And where St. Thomas me I come from?
Sure no star. You're the too far, you know. But anyway, me wait till I come, man.
Alright.
Don't Soji. I want you, man.
Don't worry, boy, just with my sister.
What you say?
Yo, here what? Go and scope out the place. No engaging.
See?
Here what? Me I check up on my sister and road to you. You hear?
Let's road.
No engaging.
No, let's
Alright.
go.
Mommy. Uncle Barry.
Me don't like your Uncle Barry thing, you know. Just say Barry. Me a young man, me know all.
$1,000 me a big figure shop.
Hold on, I'm soon come.
Barry, I hope I no gun argument and gun thing you end up in, you know. And you say the politician have grown in a community and a get out barrel of gun, you know. A big container me here say come. So I hope you're not involved in a no gun problem. Alright, cause gun problem a dangerous problem.
Alright, babes. Listen, man. I'm not that a politician link me about. He link me because we want some upliftment in our community and he say, me are the right man. Because you don't know you then look up to me. So you don't have to worry about that. I'm not involved in anything there. I'm going up on the road, but anything later. Come here.
Alright.
Alright, yeah,
take care.
Yeah, man.
I wonder how old. You see all your boy, I can't tell you something. Let me tell you something. Don't kill a whole heap of time for your boy them. 1.5 years now since, you know. Me and my baby mother not talking, you know. So me don't know how comes you come to come tell me say me kill my baby mother, you know. So you want me now. Me I go take a run, you know. Me and you go and make a deal. You see him like how you can't find my baby mother body. When you tell them say you shoot me and you can't find my body. You hear me I tell you? Because me's an innocent man. Consider yourself very lucky. You're a murderer, you know. Remember, I can be. Yeah.
Why you look so lost?
You know, say me go shop a while ago and $1,000 drop out when me reach a shop me could buy when me want.
$1,000? And I hit to really I can look for $1,000 simple thing. I like you still, you know. You're beautiful.
I must see me $1,000 this papa.
Well, let me share something. Give me this, sir. You know his serial number?
What you talk about?
You see dirt funny? You can talk about if you want money. Come over me yard, you will get it.
Papa, you look me, you look me mother, everything with frock you want. And different that, you know see me have me man. You know see car me man drive. Me don't want no walk foot man.
Hello, you talk about your car man. Yeah, baby love, you have to creep before you walk. A plane me soon drive. First of all, let me teach you something. You see car man, every single day they have a different girl in the car. And so them a transport girl. So what you talk about?
He loyal to me. Plus he grew up in a good home. His parents are my pastor. Make me stay with my man. He love me and me love him too. What more me want? Me don't want you, papa.
Pastor? His parents have a pastor. I feed them picnic at the body set up picnic them on the earth. Me I tell you that.
Kira, wake up man. You know wake from morning?
Me tired now.
I know you're still asleep. Anyway, me I go pan the hustling. You know me have to go work. So little more.
Alright, later.
Alright then. Yeah,
My
man.
man a one burner.
One burner? You know how much food one burner cook? You talk about one burner.
Tom!
Mommy.
Come here, man.
I candy.
Go on about your business. Don't call me. Me I go pan the beach now, go hustle. You know me have to work.
Yeah.
So later, go in the kitchen, go look on the pot. Before it burn up. Me soon come. Later.
Yes, mommy. Be careful on the road.
Alright, baby. Thank you.
Candy.
What's your problem?
Wow. You're beautiful. What happened?
Where you touch me for? You see you? You know say I eat that? Barry a bad man. Suppose I make him come see you touch me in my ear. You know no sense. If you know me know you come go on in your yard.
No, you talk about Barry. Remember say me know you before Barry. And no matter of fact, me we dead for you. Me love you.
Dead for who?
Of course, he could have even with the grenade, but I catch you for you. You know?
Papa, your mouth too sweet.
Mm-hmm.
You think me no know say I look all of me daughter them?
Serious.
We didn't take it serious. We didn't take it serious.
We can't continue to do this all the while in a car. Yeah, at least can carry me go one hotel or get an apartment. We can do a little thing and you know.
Me have an apartment, man. Babe, guess what I want now? Me have plans for you, you know. But it's a base pan. Every time I come check you, me have to spend money, you know, and put in your pocket. Better than put money in your pocket. And which part money there for me right now is like, me can't really maintain everything right now because things kind of tough. But me can't come here and get no money. You understand me I say?
Yeah,
so instead of you go spend money on hotel and all these things, better me just give some and save some because I have big plans for you, you know.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, babe, I understand. But at least next time, let's go out in the nature. You know, go a riverside. That nice too, you know? You know, nice little view and the nice cool water. Yeah. And you know you can make
Hold on.
Babe. Nothing alright?
Yeah man, me alright man, me there a cool out.
Where you there?
Under one big tree. Just a cool out in the country.
Mommy that prepare something. You want me to leave some for you?
What you gonna cook?
Just do some cook food. Some stew chicken.
Ah. Yeah man, so hold on babe, give me a minute, yeah?
Get a room, man. What kind of style that?
Babe, me call back, yeah? One, me call back. What you mean get a room? What you talking about?
But I'm my little cousin that you know big man.
Try that man.
You see all the girl, you're my cousin, but me no rate your style. If you do better than that.
Madman, stop watch your cousin.
Hey.
A bad man?
No.
So make him turn back.
Come out, I can't.
Well,
cousin for you?
Yes, and I try my talk sometimes I can go to hotel. But no mind him, I say him stay. I say him watch all our family member them. He just have eye on them so.
You still have to stick me about the hotel thing. I talk to you about it already.
But we must say it true.
Yo, Mama!
Yes.
Wow, what do you know?
Where you come from? You come to me for now.
You know, so your son take away boss money.
My son take your
Yeah.
money.
I want you know, say we have him on the ends, you know, we are going to shell him, you know.
So that's how when my son take your boss money.
Your son a thief.
You can't prove so my son a thief.
You and mama.
You did it when he take the
You
money?
and mama.
Yeah.
We know you're not long talking with you, because we see say you're
Look
tough,
here,
you
man.
know.
Look here.
you
attack me have a right to talk, to defend my son. You did see
You
when he
no
take the money?
defender in this thing.
You see when he take it?
Oh, you move so high. You look like you want to get shelled, you know. Hear me, bad man. Call his son there.
That never do, you know.
Well, call him.
Make him know what go on. Because if I bad him bad, so I want to know, you know.
I say if I bad, you really bad. So,
Not
yeah.
bad, me bad.
Alright, yo, talk to your mother, here. Hold this, sir.
Hello? Yes? Where are you?
Yo, take a phone there for now, man.
Said if you not get back your money, them are
Bad man, take your phone here, man. That's
All
enough.
right,
Give me your phone, man.
Give me the phone. Let me talk to me son. Let me
What
talk
can I talk to your son? We just come and talk to you.
Bad man, take your phone from the woman, man.
Give me the phone in a year.
Let me go.
Yo, boy, you say now when I get my money. I'm telling
Hey,
you.
you mama.
Me go get the money and go. Right? Just give me 24 hours and me go on with the money.
24 hours?
Yes.
You get 23.
24 hours.
You see, one if you make it 4,
Yeah.
a bullet in our head if you don't get the money.
So, you don't have your go on, sir? You don't have your go
Your
on,
son
sir?
better bring back your money.
We said the next 24 hours you don't get no
You know,
money.
you say at 23 you not get.
Well, at 24.
Alright, make till 24. Better reach on the 23.
No, go. Because on the things you don't have the upper hand. On the thing you don't have the upper hand.
I have no police involved.
No, bad man can chat.
Do one no one do.
Oh, man.
Yes, mommy.
My daughter, you have no money for you?
No, you know, say me not have no money.
You know, say me in a little problem and me want some money. So I don't know if you could have helped me out, you know. Yeah, man. Yes, no care how small it is.
Me also have something you go on an idea, yeah.
Okay then, alright. Thank you very much.
Where you go?
Baby, no, say I want me get door. Say them a look one bartender over so me a go and start out the interview. So yeah, the exercise. By the way, you know say one here want do. So just can't go doing here.
Out of all of the work, them have to go look one bar work. You couldn't say I go down a hotel, go try look one work down there.
But baby, no say hotel ain't not take on nobody right now. Look how much application I sent me letter off and nobody no call me. So me have to just go and occupy my time.
Alright, do you have to do? Because I'm there so I go and work out. But be careful, on the road. It come like a grow, me a grow.
Oh, I remember. One here for do. Don't forget. So
Alright.
come here.
Yeah, man. Look come on.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
You may feel say something come by, but no, sir. I know that right now, you know. Because me look some fun for our studio, because DJ, you understand?
Okay.
And let out music, the system here. You understand? Alright. Me go for the cheddar for the 22, man. I go for the cheddar for the 22, man. I tell no life in a 20 view, man. Man, I touch couple girl for the 22, man. I touch couple girl.
Alright, well this year.
Alright, boom.
Alright, take care.
Yo! You don't know so me I do a tune and you give me a money though. You want to hear me tune?
What kind of music?
Me have a money tune.
Singing and come on some money, you know.
Alright.
Me I go for the cheddar for the 22, man. I go for the cheddar for the 22, man. I tell my life in a 20 view, man. Man, I touch couple girl for the 22, man. I touch couple girl for the 22, man. I touch couple girl for the 22, man. I touch couple girl. Man, I do it for the better for the 22, man. I do it for the better for the 22, man. I do it for the better for the 22, man. I do it. Hey, yeah, say about me, tune.
So why sing a song 22?
You remember say, at the year me I sing about. You see, but 2016 we in a target at 2016 sound. You understand?
Well, I can't tell you the truth, you know.
Yeah.
Me go get the money, but you see the song, don't continue the 22 too long for me. Don't too boring. Cause right now me almost sleep, you know. You see studio money there.
Alright, for it.
So hold on, me hear next tune, but me don't want to hear nothing with 22. Me get another one.
Alright. Me out for the cash them. Me not tell no life in no cash them. Me not tell no life in no cash them. So me a cash me goods and go through the gate. Cause me want the thing them very quickly. You don't know the thing them still.
You see, I lost money me again, but you hear me I tell you, sir. You see, find a better song. Cause you see that song that me I tell you the truth. If me go to stage show, me go studio, but find a better song. When I go to studio, harmonize the song properly. Alright.
Alright, my brother.
Shelly, do that boy a head for me, because he mother gonna look work. Quan, listen to me. Sit down, make sure they're here. Yeah. Yeah, sit. Alright. Don't want to burn him up in the sun, but be head there for me, he mother gonna look work. Here? Sit down, man. Let it soak up.
Beach part dirty door. So I go on. So I comfortable at all. Yeah, go on with it. See, put on weight, girl. Yeah. Sorry, me take so long, man. To me, they try to meds. What if you tell everyone this if you come out of the house? Me, I have to tell say I walk me gonna look girl and me get called.
And that's your life gone to now?
Why I say go, you know. And you say walk take you over, and man take me up, put me where you not even can see me and me can see you.
Me I say man and I want to day off me get to them, me say me would have let you go.
I'm not wrong, yeah. So you over that place you go and over your workplace. You must get enough tip or supervisor and all these things you're supposed to turn.
Supervisor? Girl that you don't even know.
What you say?
Front desk work, I all if you put on pretty clothes, I look nice.
Really?
The clothes I wear, me have to wear one badge on top of my name badge. No tips needed, I'm always good.
Are you wear that? That means you're good.
Good? Me far from good, girl. They say hard work is the key to success. I'm gonna go there and do hard work. Think me would be successful. A slave work that. What do you know so me get 300 US from a white man and I fi give him back? You know all that bun me? That bun every string in a me.
I can't believe what you just said to me. And you know at least try to tuck it somewhere or hide it somewhere?
Hide it somewhere? You want a camera the east, camera the west. If me talk it so then see, if me talk it so then see. Me can't hide it nowhere. So what about you? From your breed, me always see I walk along field in the yard there.
Me? Well girl, my man sit down up there expect me if you go look work and mind him. Tell us something. Yes, before me breed, that boy they promised me a world. When I go make me alright, me not go short and nothing. Now he just come like he forget everything. But me not say nothing to him. Look for me good, me say me a dolly. When I talk about dolly, me a the real definition of dolly. Me not go work for no chicken change. Jamaica can't pay me. Me have Soling Safari and just wait till that job. Me not say 40. Anyway, me could go swim. Want go swim. Alright, now me all hot.
You not go too far, you know. I'm blasted. Pina come to test me nerve today. Evelyn, no one do. Plan to swim now?
We go take a quick swim.
Half due, soon come half duty, you know, me about one next 30 minutes. So for them time I not get paid, but you don't look good, so me stay and watch, you know. You can't swim?
No? No.
But here what? You don't cross nowhere past your neighbor. Right? Because I can't swim neither. But me there feel guard on no life, so you no go too far. Because me can't save you. So but me just gonna advise you no cross or so. You no play no game, you no go so. You no play game, come back pan the sand. Before you do pan the sand and play. And just dip on foot in the water, alright?
Okay.
No go far because I can't swim.
So where you there, Sado?
I'm the lifeguard.
So how you a lifeguard? You can't swim?
You can't swim.
Here one now. I'm a lifeguard. So me advise you know how to save on life. Me a guard you know. So if you no go anywhere past on upon own risk. I'm so glad me and me off duty anytime I take a sign and turn around because but me word of mouth me a stay for save can't advise you no more, but half an hour for now, I'm going still. So go and do what I do.
Yeah, we're going to just ask if you keep them here for your Rasta, please.
Alright, no sorry, but let me say half an hour.
And the expensive phone here, just keep it safe for me, please.
I go put my number on it.
Nothing wrong. Right. You're cute, though.
Alright, you have money. Yes, man. Remember, I'm telling you, I'm telling you, what do you know, man? Don't pass in the neighbor, don't catch up so far. I can't swim, I'm now come out the phone, I'm out of the this evening now. Come up further, yes, sir. Yeah, man, let's see it, does so. Not go no further out, there, man. You're not inch, you know, take a mile. Candy! Wagwan! Come in, young lads. I'm gonna act like up on a beach, you know. Look like I make a piece of money today, girl. I said the one a while ago, you know. You see, you know?
Yeah, man, you good?
Yeah, you want to use them now?
No, so I don't make no portion of money today. I just little bit of, you know, I know nothing. Little change.
You are lucky piece of girl, you know. Remember say, you know, are you make money on a beach and make the beach look active, you know. When you take the beach, you flash your lock, so everything you have sell off.
The beach slow, you know. But me still have to try, you understand? But you see one of my daughter, yeah. My daughter this, you know. No. You're wet. You're wet. You can't wet me up. My clothes dry and feel wet. You know, say we get enough hug up from me, man. But you don't have to wet me up, you know. You understand? But peace and fly up on the beach.
How's your daughter? The first one or the last one?
This time I wash belly. I last one.
Nice to official meet your girl. But you can't good pity come, man. Nice girl. You can't good pity come here. Big up yourself, my friend.
Yes, of course.
I want to know. Come and see a sweet and pass and not to know. So it's a small world living now, you know.
Yeah, man. When bless. You know, so she nice.
Yeah, man. She look good for real. Yo, yeah, my phone already.
Alright. Don't say a word. My daughter.
Oui.
Me think you work today.
No, sir, I'm not work today. Today I'm a day off.
Okay. You know, sir, me never remember say today your day off. And you know friend the other day me want to talk to you?
But what now, miss?
Me see your son they run up and down on the road. No baby that. You and your father we got prison, you know. Why you not send him go give government if you don't know if you take care of pitney? Me not understand, you know. Them are young people here, you just go have pitney so and let them go like a Lego beast on the road. Car they pass, bicycle, truck man. You don't know say we got prison?
But Miss Candy, when I know a normal little boy, no? You know normal, none at all. So we all you pre things down and said this and that. You don't know half of what happened.
That's why you and his father fi keep on your eye upon him. It's especially you as the mother, the father gone all about. Eh? And you the home and you no know see your pitney gone on the road. You are telling me say that the baby they no normal. You and his father are two careless parents. Uno no forget no pitney. I want to know young people.
Here right now me ready. Never go. Right now your mother pass our place. Me see you. Me call you here.
Mummy, you chat too much. You love take up people business from your Eddie, or she and her baby father and baby business become yours. Me tell us you have to love people business alone.
Little girl a ring with me.
Mummy, I have to box me and me a big woman. Don't box me, man.
Oh, yo. What now there, sir?
How you feel like? You feel say you're a big woman? Eh?
Yo. Wait, you can't do.
No manners.
No, you can't fight with the mother.
You feel say you're a woman? I will put you out, little girl. No pass the place with me. Wait till I hold you. You're out hard and know what.
Come.
So little girl, yeah.
Are your daughter, you know? Are you wash belly?
I'm my daughter about them for your manners.
Yeah, me know.
If you even 100-year-old in for your manners, you can't disrespect your mother like that.
When you go home, you sit down and talk about it. See later, when you go home, your mother talk about it. You talk about it when you go home. You see your friend ready there? Yo, see your friend now wait for you there now. Go on with your friend. So you say I go on with him. Lower that man.
The little girl too rude.
What's up in this day, man?
Pitney, a big woman.
No worry about that. Take
From
her back.
then, take man, them a big woman.
Message for the world.
Jamiewood City.
This a message for
Chopstar.
the world.
Richard Brown Films.
This is a message
Curious
for
King.
the world.
Public Report.
It's a small world. Careful what you're doing it. It's a small world. We the people ruin it. It's a small world. Just want a piece of it. It's a small world. But mine is the piece of it.
Born Jamaican, hungry man. People want the money, where me go get it from? There I try us up on the sun. She want AC, but me have fun. What if the action is a reaction? And sometimes no satisfaction. Champion in action. Jamaican dreaming of the axeman.
Careful what you do and say. Vanity will fade away. I hear another mother cry today. Gunplay, another life got taken away. Oh, I'm so sorry. She lose her mind after taking the Molly. It's a small world. Careful what you do in it. It's a small world.
Need some serve. How you do, ma'am?
Good afternoon, sir. How are you?
So far, so good, you know.
What can I do for you today?
You know, sir, some fruits more bring home for, you know, for wifey. You know what I mean? Some don't know if you have no cane. You have cane?
Yeah, man.
Sort me out. Set me up on some stuff. Alright. Yeah, man, the bag they look decent.
One bag of cane?
Melon? Yeah, man, just set me up.
Fire?
Sure, yeah. Alright. How much for them something here?
1,000 good, man.
1,000?
Yeah, man. Alright, respect.
Next time I say I can't carry one extra, you can get an extra out there. There, but 1,000 I walk with.
Alright,
Respect, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Is a piece of it. Yeah. Paradise, oh paradise, oh paradise, oh paradise, oh paradise. Sweet, yeah. Careful what you're doing there.
From when me wait for you, how you just reach?
Babe, a far country there, you know. A long me a drive in the traffic and on the bad road and all these things. And see me get some fruits for you.
But B, them a fruits and look like a pig up in them a country, you know, look like a roadside they buy them from.
Yeah, because guess what now? It's up a country, a be lazy people in a country, no farming now go on. A fast life then like, so I have to get them fruits off of the street from country.
Well, me appreciate it still. I'm just glad they're there.
Oh God, me too, babe.
That perfume smell new though.
Yeah, my auntie up a country, me get the perfume from. Auntie coming up, so wait till me go to country.
Come me that wonder why you go to country so regular. But if your auntie just come, and you go before, I want my country so.
Babe, I may have to take care of the land up there, you know. I have to survey the place and make sure everything alright. So I have to check in now and then to make sure up there alright.
So like you finally reach now and the wait is over. But me ain't about another year now, so just we go inside and go start up a thing.
Yeah, we can do it, but guess what now? Journey from country, try it driving just tiresome. So just give me about 5 minutes, me just nap off, you know, the little tired vibes, and then we can do what we are doing. Nobody give me a face them now.
Alright, take a quick nap. Cause you know what we want in your son at.
Yeah, then I see me go drop a tune and give me a cash, you see it? Come on, guys. Studio go drop a tune, you understand?
You like me dancing?
Me could hear what you want. Alright. Yo, me I go for the cheddar, for the 22, man I go for the cheddar, for the 22, man I tell no life, you know 20 view, man Man I touch couple girl for the 22, man I touch couple girl for the 22, man I touch couple girl for the 22, man I touch...
What kind of song this?
My girl, look how you lumpy, lumpy, you fat and jumpy, jumpy. Right now, show me have a conky, conky, can conky in your phone. You're fat and lumpy, lumpy. Babes, oh yeah, a little joke about that road, man. A little joke.
Stay there, go and laugh, man. Shop lock tonight.
Let me shop. Hey, boy. Keep me burning name out of your mouth. You see a girl in my mouth? That me a tell you. Keep me, hey boy.
Where you go?
I'm leaving.
Go where?
Me a move out, cause mommy box me.
Where mommy a box you for?
Imagine, me and my friend up on the beach, and mommy disrespect her. And me a try show mommy and I say, mommy, that wrong, you shouldn't do that. And that me simple say to her, you know, and mommy box me, you know, in front of crowd and in front of people, you know, and me box her back.
No. You know mommy stay. You should never box her back. Me and you know mommy stay. She have anger problem. We could have go aside, you know, and take on the time deal with it. Remember say the Bible say, honor your mother and your father, so your days shall be long, Kira.
Tav, now that same Bible they say, don't provoke your kids to wrath.
Listen to me. Me your bigger sister. And if you pull on the bag, me and mommy and you just justify this. And enough time there here, so you know, I want to leave, you know. I'm still there up to this day. So we need to fix this. So put on the bag and come.
Yandy.
Where friend me suffer? How are?
The eye see you from what day and the eye just a study how you upgrade, you see me? And you woman like in that area, come here you're from the same level. You move from board house, you build a concrete house. We have a concrete house.
Me and you not on the same level at all. Me and you could never be on the same level. Back up. And me you want all us come tumble down pan. You not live with your big girl over there so big and strong. So you want she to come in argument with me so me take her man? Papa, you should have known better. If me did want you, mother get you before she. Go on over your yard.
No man, not say that man. You can't even say that. A young girl over there can't cook. Between me and you, I pay fast food. A fast food, bring him up so. He come then thin like a me and him big. Pay $5,000 food, $4,000 food. Me can't manage your old man like you me like. Can't look and cook. Need you no dumpling up on your fingernail. Natural man.
Leg off of my finger. Take your filthy and off of me. Who you call all? You know what? Come go on in your yard. And if you hear nobody, they ask you rent house. Me have the old house that's how me used to live in and me a rent out it. Tell them if you come check me, but you no come back. Me nah no time for you.
Alright, later. Yeah, love you. No.
See, mommy, I come. Mommy, come. Kira have something to talk to you about. Remember, be on your best behavior.
Alright. Me you a big woman officer now. I look like I am my mother. What you say now, my mother? She come on the beach, she beat me off today.
Mommy, just calm down and bother with it. Kira, explain yourself.
Mommy, sorry, feel like you're back, but with work and with everything where you're going around me in my workplace and so, it has stressed me out and I take out it on you and that was wrong. I don't know if you can find it in your heart. Forgive me.
Me forgive you. But on one condition, you need to respect me and try not make it happen again. You see when me dey on the beach at daytime I hustle, me go through a lot of things. Whole heap of stress, frustration, problem. And me take it, me no carry home, come put it on uno. Police, everybody dey on the beach. You understand they do their work. And me under pressure. Me try to keep it to myself. Me no put me on uno and take you out uno. Me forgive you still. But you, out of all, Kira, you is the last person me I look for see put their hand for me. You understand? Me I beg you not do it again. Cause that not look good none at all. You understand? Mother and daughter. They fight. Me no in that video again. It's not going to like it. And you see your
Mommy, me sorry.
As simple as that.
No, Papa advise that. I wonder where you want now. Me coming! Where you want?
You know hear what happened?
What happened?
Between me and you know, say me no fast in the people business, but you must go see it. They lock up your man.
What you say?
Me say then catch Barry with gun. Me never know say you have gun man and come here over this a strive with the little $9 a week. I don't want me a gun man you want. Why?
Papa, a liar they tell her a truth at all.
You ever see me I tell lie? As a God, me say up on the news, me I see it when they go buy the food for me woman. As me tell you, she no love cook. As I call me see on the TVs.
Thank you for telling me. Me I go down a station go see if me can bail him.
No way?
Down a station.
You think I one gun and get him with? I want a whole barrel. One whole barrel, he now come back. No make sense, you good down there.
Thank you for telling me. Me I go in, me know what to do. Don't worry yourself. Thanks, later.
Alright, Candy, your man carry a barrel of gun, but me I carry a barrel of love for you. Me soon come back. Warning.
It's a small world. Careful what you're doing it. It's a small world. We the people ruin it. It's a small world. Just want a piece of it. It's a small world. But mine is the piece of it.
Born Jamaican, hungry man. People want the money where me go get it from. There I try us up on the sun. She want AC but me have fun. What if the action is a reaction? And sometimes no satisfaction. Champion in action. Jamaican dreaming of the axeman.
Careful what you do and say. Vanity will fade away. I hear another mother cry today. Gunplay, another life got taken away. Oh, I'm so sorry. She lose her mind after taking the Molly. It's a small world. Careful what you do in it. It's a small world. We the people